Today's ingredients. Hello guys, welcome back to One Pan Kitchen. Today's menu is chicken karaage everyone love. Remember, garlic and ginger flavor, soy sauce, and crispy, juicy lovely chicken. It has to be perfect absolutely. Okay, let's get started. Before deep fry, going to make seasoning my chicken. Chicken breast is also fine. Today, choose chicken leg, I want juiciness. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Japanese sake, minced garlic, minced ginger, going to mix well. Yoku mazate, ki mochi komete, kokura komete. Then keep in my refrigerator for 30 minutes. Ki mochi mo, isioni. Okay, after 30 minutes, going to make covering with flour and starch. Flour, starch, a lot of kinds of karaage here, I like a crispy texture. So try to make batter as thin as possible. Naru biku, musuku koromo saruyo. First deep fry for 3 minutes, then break for 3 minutes, then second deep fry for 3 minutes. Sun poon, agete, sun poon, yasumi, mata, sun poon, agete, kansei de. Going to second turn for deep fry. Okay, going to plating. Are you ready? Enjoy, happy lunch. How was your day? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See you soon, bye bye.